This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Julie Liebler. Waterfront, 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, all-brick custom home in the sought-after Linkhorn Park/Bay Colony neighborhood. Approximately 1.25 acres overlooking Linkhorn Bay. Wonderful floor plan with spacious living areas, formal dining room, luxurious primary suite plus 3 large bedrooms. Updated kitchen with high-end custom cabinetry, granite countertops and stainless appliances. Bonus room with full bathroom over the garage. Private deck for easy entertaining. Dock, boat lift, beautifully landscaped fenced yard, generator hookup, and an oversized garage. Short golf cart ride to the beach and country club. For more information, review the details below.